This is the state of my hair. My hair is so dry. There is no product on my hair. I washed my hair a day before, so I'm going to moisturize it now. The first thing I'll be doing is to put my hair into 4 different sections. This will enable me to moisturize my hair well. It will help me to reach every area of my hair. I moisturize my hair using the LCO method of moisturizing. L, which is liquid, C, which is cream, and O, which is oil. The first thing that'll be going in is my L, which is warm water. I prefer to use warm water because I have low porosity hair. The warm water is going to rinse my hair cuticles, allowing other products I'll be using to penetrate my hair. I'll be dividing the first section further because I like every product I'll be using to coat every hair strand. I'll be going further to spritz the warm water on my hair, my roots, and my ends. I make sure that it gets to every area of my hair. Next thing is I'll be massaging the water into my hair. In as much as it's warm water, you know how low porosity hair can be. I wouldn't want products to sit on the surface of my hair, so I always prefer to massage the water into my hair. The next thing I'll be going in with is my C, which is Aunt Jackie's Quench Leave-In Conditioner. This leave-in conditioner is so moisturizing, and it's perfect for my low porosity hair. It doesn't sit on the surface of my hair at all. That is why I love this product so much. As you can see, it even defined my curls. This is the final part, which is O. I prefer to seal my moisture with my DIY Ayurvedic whipped hair butter. This hair butter is packed with a lot of Ayurvedic herbs, so I prefer to use it to seal my ends. Like, it does the work for me. It seals the moisture so well. The last thing I'll be doing is to put my hair in a protective style. So I'll be putting my hair in twist. Because my ends are higher in porosity, I go ahead and apply my DIY Ayurvedic whipped butter on my ends to seal it more. So guys, I'll be repeating the process for every part of my hair. First of all, I'll be going in with my L, which is my warm water, my C, which is Aunt Jackie's Quench Leave-In, and my O, which is my whipped Ayurvedic hair butter. I'll be dropping the details of everything I'm using to moisturize my hair now. I'll be dropping the details in the description box, so do try and check it out. So guys, I'm done moisturizing my hair. My hair is so soft. It's super moisturized. I loved the products I used. So guys, the final thing I'll be doing is to oil my scalp with this amazing oil. This oil is AhgoziemNaturals Ayurvedic Hair and Scalp Oil. This oil is from my brand. This oil is packed with a bunch of Ayurvedic herbs. This oil thickens the hair. It promotes hair growth. This oil is so good. See how full my edges are. This oil has helped my hair so much. I'll be going ahead to massage my scalp with the scalp massager. Scalp massaging increases blood circulation, thereby promoting hair growth. Finally, I'll be covering my hair with my DIY satin bonnet. If you enjoyed this video, do give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.